and welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you DIY under eye serum with hyaluronic acid. It is really very easy to make, and if you would like to see how I make it, please keep on watching the video. This is the recipe, very easy, very quick, and it is really very effective. I have been using this serum since the day I made it, and saying frankly, after 2 days I saw a huge difference. Usually when you laugh, you can see a lot of small wrinkles under your eye area, but here I saw that the skin was more tighter and there was not a lot of wrinkles at all, and I was saying, wow, that works. I really like it. So as you saw in the video, I transferred it into the bottle like that with a pump. But what I will recommend, because this serum has a creamy consistency, better to transfer it in a jar like that where you can open it easily. You don't have to buy new jars. If you have old jars from your old eye creams or from your old serums, just wash them, disinfect them, and just reuse them. And then when it's finished, make a new recipe or make the same recipe. It's up to you. But what I recommend, usually I make the recipes for 1 month. Either it's a mask, I use it for a month, either it's a body scrub or something for your under eye area. Because only when you use it consistently, not once, not twice, but when you tried it at least for a month, then you can see the result. And with this serum, the result is very quick. 2 days I saw the difference. So I wonder what it will happen after 1 month. At this particular moment, I'm really very happy with this recipe, and I hope that you will find the recipe helpful for yourself as well. I use this serum twice per day, in the morning and in the evening, and I store it in the fridge. Store it in the fridge for 1 month, and when you finish it, either you can make a new one or you can look for another recipe. But remember that you have to be consistent. Only in using things consistently and in doing things consistently, you will see the result. Make sure that you don't have any allergies for any of the products that I used in this recipe. Don't forget to check out the recipe for homemade hyaluronic acid and use it for yourself. It is really very easy recipe with only 2 ingredients. I hope that you will enjoy it. And yes, I hope that you find the video helpful, the recipe helpful, and I hope that you will enjoy it. If you enjoyed the video and liked the video, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give me the thumbs down. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking either on this icon over here or on the red button below this video. And I wish you all the best. Have a nice day, everyone, and I will see you in the next video.